So I do get comments like that. Women asking me how to get in the trade, how to get started. As far as the hours go in your question, every company is a little bit different. With mine, it is like 40 hours a week unless you are on call. All depends if you're a service tech, installer. I did not go to trade school. I went right into an apprenticeship program. And one of my biggest pieces of advice for women or anyone going into the trades is everyone starts somewhere, male or female. It doesn't matter if you have no experience using tools. You will learn those things and you will pick them up eventually. I felt like I put a ton of pressure on myself to do even better than everyone else. As long as you have that drive to learn, that's all that really matters. It does make me feel really good that people reach out to me and ask me these type of questions. That's a great career, and I just hate seeing that women miss the opportunity.